In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save WPS Office file as Word document. This process is very helpful if you are working in WPS Office but need your file to be compatible with Microsoft Word. By saving your document in a Word format, you make it easier to share, edit, and open on different devices without running into formatting issues. To get started, make sure your document is already open in WPS Office. Once you are on the main editing screen, look toward the upper left corner of the interface and tap on the File tab. This section contains all the main controls related to managing and saving your document. From there, move into the Options area. When this window opens, you will notice that it usually appears on the View section by default. This is normal. What you need to do next is navigate to the General and Save settings. This is where WPS Office allows you to control how your files are stored and which format they use by default. Inside these settings, look for the option that lets you choose the file format used when saving documents. Tap on the drop-down list, and you will see several available Word formats. The exact options may vary depending on the version of WPS Office you are using, but you will typically see common formats such as DOC and DOCX. For most users, the DOCX format is recommended because it is widely supported and works well with modern versions of Word. Once you have selected your preferred Word format, confirm the change by tapping the OK button. Now that the default format is set, you are ready to save your document. Go back to the File menu again and choose Save As. At this point, you will be asked to select where you want to store the file. Choose the folder or location that is most convenient for you. After selecting the location, enter a file name for your document. Take a moment to double-check the file type shown below the name field and make sure it is set to Word document with the correct extension. This step is important to ensure the file is saved in the proper format. Once everything looks correct, tap the Save button. Your document will now be saved successfully as a Word file. You can confirm this by checking the file extension and opening it in a Word-compatible application. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.